Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in to your Hostinger email. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger H panel and make sure you have an email plan. I actually have the web hosting plan which comes with a free email, so we'll go ahead and claim that. Click here on claim, and then what I want you to do is go ahead and type in a domain name that you want to use. I'll go ahead and use this one right here. Click on next, and then you just choose your billing period you would like. Right here, you would get free domain privacy protection included, and then you can go ahead and proceed to checkout with the payment. After that, you just go ahead and set up your email address. So you'll have a branded email with your domain and your name string and a password that you'll set up. And then you just come here to mail.hostinger.com, and then you just go ahead and log in here, and it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.